Bit string flicking is going to use basically our if statements and binary numbers and kind of put their logic together. We're going to be evaluating things consistently on a true-false basis. So with bit strings, first of all, what they are binary digits. So we're going to look at strings of these, and with them we're going to compare each digit to make sure if it's true or false, and then run through the appropriate Boolean logic. So the Boolean logic operators, as you can see on the left-hand side of the screen, are listed here. I have listed here at the bottom. It says not. These two are new, that we'll talk about in a moment, and exclusive OR, which you've dealt with some, and then OR. All right. So we're going to be looking at some examples, and you can see that as long as you know the rule for which each one does, won't be any trouble as we go ahead and progress. So let's take a look here at our examples that we've listed here, and I'll work them through and wonder how in the world do we get that mess. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to take the first value here of 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, and we're going to AND that together. Now the AND can be, as you can see, there's an operator, the ampersand, or you might actually even see the time sign given every once in a while for that expression. And we're going to AND that with 0, 1, 1, 1, 1 as our example. So each binary digit gets compared with the AND expression, and we get a result. So 1 is the first position bit, and the 0 is the first position bit, so they're going to be compared, 1 and 0. 1 represents true, 0 represents false, so 1 is true, 0 is false. And with an AND expression, we need both to be true, So just like multiplication, 1 times 0 is going to end up being 0. And now we have a false and a true, so again, that's going to be false. But now we have a true and true in the third bits, so that's true. 1 and 1 is 1, so that's again true. And now another false, so false and anything is going to be false. So there's our result. That's our answer. As you can see listed over here in the worksheet, that is the answer that we've been given. So if we run through a couple other examples, one of the other symbols that you see here is this circle with a plus sign. That symbol is going to be, as you check above in the chart, it says exclusive OR. So let's talk about this exclusive OR, since this might be new for some of you if this is your first time seeing any in-depth Boolean topics. Exclusive OR is its real name, and it's looking for exclusive rights. So exclusive OR means that only one case can be true. So only one can be true. And we know in the OR expression, if we just use this as a rough example, 1 or 0 would be true. Only one, so that's exclusive. Whereas if we said 1 or 1, that would be true as well, but it's not exclusive, so technically it's going to be false. So what we sometimes say, we have a little saying that goes with this exclusive OR, maybe to help you remember it, is that if they're different, again, 1 exclusive OR 0, then that's going to be true. And if they're the same, 1 exclusive OR 1, that's going to be false, the same if they're zeros. Again, you can't have, there's nothing there true, so it wouldn't be true. So you can see if they're different, 1 with a 0 or 0 with a 1, it'd be true. And 1 being the same, 0, 0 being the same, they both were false. So we'll see that as you get practicing with this rule, just like you learned the ands and ors, this one will come naturally to you as well. So let's take a look at the example that's listed here. 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, exclusive ORed with 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. So we're looking for things that are the same to be false, different to be true. So 1 exclusive OR 0, that's going to be true. 1 exclusive OR 1 is going to be false. 0 exclusive OR 0 is going to be false. 1 exclusive OR 0 is going to be true. And 1 exclusive OR 0 is going to be true. And you can see there's where I get that answer. I'll let you go with the rest of these examples. This one has a couple expressions to do, so follow order of operations, order down here, which one to do first, and hopefully you'll get the same answers. If you don't, check in with me or with a fellow student, and we'll be back with you in another video shortly.